I'm tripping. So we're gonna attempt to braid my niece's hair with this hair from the with the tips from the internet. We're gonna try to do some jumbo box braids. I've already sectioned it. It's like big sections, and then I'm gonna try to braid it. So here I'm using the crochet hook that I normally use for my dreads to pull the hair through underneath the rubber band. And I was struggling on the first one because I was trying to do it from the middle, but turns out you can do it from towards the end and just pull it through, and it goes through just as easy. I was trying to figure out how they did it. But once you pull the hair through, you just section it, and then you just braid it down to the end, and that's it. It was fairly simple. The braids are pretty big, so it shouldn't take you too long. So I just tried to section it out as best I can to make it even, and then I just braided it all the way out to the end. So after doing the first two, you can see that I was able to figure it out on how to pull the hair through a little bit quicker, and to make it a little bit more even on the pull through. Because once you pull through a portion of the hair, then you just have to slide. It pretty much slides through against your scalp, and then you just try to make the braid as even as you can and not like have the rubber band showing, because I was trying to cover the rubber band as best I could, and then I just tried to make the braid very, very even all the way down to the end. We're about halfway done. We added these gray ones on the side because she wanted to switch things up. All right, okay, so we're done. They came out pretty good. Like the parts are pretty even. So now we're just gonna dip the hands in hot water, and that's the end of it. So the whole process took us about 2 to 3 hours, and they came out pretty decent for a first attempt. I'm sure the next time it will go smoother just because I'll have the experience from doing it the first time. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment any tips, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.